From grateful hearts our voices rise, in humble hope, in joyful praise. We lift our prayers unto the Lord and trust the truth of every word. Amen, we sing, amen, we say, your will be done, your truth our way. Amen, our faith, our final cry, so be it, Lord, both now and now. When shadows fall and doubts appear, your steadfast love dispels our fear. In every trial and joy or pain, we seal our trust with one refrain. Amen, we sing, amen, we say, your will be done, your truth our way. Amen, our faith, our final cry, so be it, Lord, both now and night. You are the first, the last, the true, the promised hope we're holding to. In life, in death, in all we claim, our answer still is one, same name.